I was totally unknown about the life turn which was gonna happen with me. I was a simple, dumbfounded girl who just passed her 10th standard and is now gonna come to a bigger world from a conservative area. Who was just into his school exams and used to get happy if she comes top among all the students. Now it was the time to step up into a new journey. I was going to face the outer world to learn focus, discipline, and improving my mistakes too. Dealing with time, making ourselves up to that level. Each and every day of the timeline was such a new and exciting experience for me. And I was loving the fact how supportive they were at that time. When someone is alone, so they always need someone to share their thoughts, to share their scary side. If anyone start giving sympathy to you from the front, you just melt like an ice. Those years of quota, now also I remember that it was a far dream of my life to live and enjoy as a student. Enjoyment doesn't mean to have party tonight, to enjoy with your friends, go for shopping. The real taste is when you realize that you have to go with your ups and downs, whatever is happening in your life currently, and you have to balance all those things. The best thing that I found here that I met the vibe, and by the way, I never regret the mess ka food. It's totally true that no one can replace the homey food which gives a different vibe. सचमुच घर का खाना है. There is one tip for all the hostelers there. You should take your meal timely. ऐसा नहीं कि आपने गैप कर दिया. Meal timely लेने के कारण ही मेरे health issues बहुत कम थे, and I think that you should also prefer that. But others used to hate that why I do not object the mess का food. बहुत ही गंदा होता था. At that point of time I used to say कि नहीं, you need to change this. If we talk about friends, so कुछ ही गिने चुने थे. It was a boon for me that I got such a nice friends who supported me. I couldn't explore the whole city. मैंने ज़्यादा explore नहीं किया है. But yes, if I'll talk about the environment बहुत अच्छा है for those who went there to study. तो ये दिक्कत है कि अगर वहाँ पढ़ पाओगे कि नहीं रह पाओगे. Live for 1 month definitely takes time to change yourself according to the environment in which you were living earlier. धीरे धीरे सारी चीज़ें adjust हो जाती हैं. Try to accept all those things whatever you are going through. एक चीज़ याद रखना, without losing anything you can't gain. इसके कारण आप उस चीज़ को याद करोगे that you have sacrificed those things for your studies after doing a lot of hard work during this journey. This is the truth that I missed a lot of chances of enjoying, but currently I am much more satisfied than earlier, happy with that. And if you'll ask that is preparing for NEET is worth it or not, so I would say definitely it's worth it. When you will clear it, you will get to know that why am I saying so. There are a lot of people जो कि अपनी जर्नी में अपने शेड्यूल को बैलेंस नहीं कर पाते, उसके कारण ऐसे कई सारी दिक्कतें आती हैं. either it be your schedule, either it be your time management, जिसको आप बैलेंस नहीं कर पा रहे, मार्क्स कम आ रहे हैं, डिप्रेशन हो रहा है. ऐसे बहुत सारे कारण होते हैं जिसके कारण बच्चे बहुत लो फील करने लगते हैं. धीरे धीरे करके स्टेप बाय स्टेप सुधरते जाएगा. इतना आप समझते हो कि नहीं ये नहीं हो पाएगा, यू कैन ऑल्सो डू इफ आई कैन. I was also caught up in the loop of 500 and I would say for 3 years. Earlier the 2 years whatever mistakes I made, I learned in my drop year. I made mistakes and it's good too, जिससे कि आप फाइनल एग्जाम में जाकर मिस्टेक्स ना करें. Learning is very important in your journey, not only about knowledge, it's not only about clearing the exam, it's also about learning something in your life. You come out of your city and you have to stay away from your parents. At that time I know that everyone feels a bit low, but you have to learn this thing कि आज नहीं तो कल you have to live alone. खुद की चिंता करनी आनी चाहिए, आपको खुद को बैलेंस करना आना चाहिए, because your parents will not be with you everywhere.